This is fun. I feel like I'm one of those white dudes who picked up like a hobby when I turned 30 and I was like, I want to build stuff. Here I am, building stuff. Pretty good life.